Hey everyone, welcome back to Autospeed's Vibes, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the future of road tripping with the all-new 2025 Motorhome. If you love adventure, luxury, and the freedom to travel wherever the road takes you, this motorhome is built just for you. Packed with cutting-edge technology, a sleek design, and top-tier comfort, the 2025 Motorhome is set to redefine how we experience life on the road. A motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a fully functional home on wheels, designed to offer comfort, convenience, and mobility all in one package. The 2025 model takes this to a whole new level with state-of-the-art features, superior performance, and a stylish exterior that's guaranteed to turn heads. From the outside, the 2025 Motorhome stands out with a modern aerodynamic design that enhances both aesthetics and fuel efficiency. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, it ensures stability on the road while reducing drag for a smoother drive. The sleek LED lighting, large panoramic windows, and an automatic retractable awning add to its premium feel. Plus, the self-leveling system ensures a hassle-free setup at any campsite, making your travel experience even more effortless. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious, spacious interior designed for maximum comfort. The living area features premium reclining seats, a smart entertainment system, and ample natural light for a cozy atmosphere. The fully equipped kitchen comes with high-end appliances, a convection oven, a large fridge, and stylish cabinetry with soft close mechanisms. When it's time to rest, the bedroom offers a plush memory foam queen-size bed, smart lighting, and generous storage space. The modern bathroom is just as impressive, featuring a full-size shower, premium fixtures, and a tankless water heater for endless hot water. Tech lovers will appreciate the 2025 Motorhome's advanced smart control system. Everything from lighting to climate control and security can be managed through a mobile app. The powerful solar panel system, coupled with high-capacity lithium batteries, provides off-grid capabilities, ensuring uninterrupted power wherever you travel. Plus, with high-speed Wi-Fi and multiple USB-C charging ports, staying connected on the road has never been easier. Under the hood, the 2025 Motorhome is powered by a fuel-efficient turbo diesel engine, with an optional hybrid variant for those looking for even better mileage. The all-wheel drive system and enhanced suspension provide a smooth, stable ride, whether you're cruising down highways or exploring rugged terrain. Thanks to noise reduction technology, long drives are quieter and more relaxing than ever before. Now, let's talk numbers. The base model starts at approximately $120,000, and, while fully upgraded versions with top-tier luxury features can go up to $180,000, and it's an investment, but when you factor in the unbeatable combination of comfort, efficiency, and advanced technology, the value speaks for itself. So, why should you consider the 2025 Motorhome? Simple. It's the perfect blend of style, innovation, and functionality. Whether you're a full-time traveler, a weekend warrior, or someone looking for the ultimate road trip companion, this motorhome delivers everything you need for an unforgettable experience. That's a wrap for today's review. What do you think about the 2025 Motorhome? Would you take it on your next adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting reviews and automotive content. This is Autospeed's Vibes, and we'll catch you on the next ride.